Do you want to know how to send Bitcoin or BTC from your MoonPay to another wallet? Here is the step-by-step process on how to do it. So first, you need a MoonPay account, but if you do have an existing one, you just have to access it on your MoonPay application, and once you already access your account, you will see this page. And as you can see, you are on the asset section. But for you to able to send a Bitcoin on another wallet, you just have to click on the wallet section and you will see the Bitcoin right here. You just have to click on it and click the three dots beside the Bitcoin. Once you click on it, you will see the send button. You just have to click the send button and tender the amount of BTC that you wanted to send to another wallet. But in this case, they have an error. But after you tender an amount and click continue, you will be able to paste the wallet address of another wallet that you wanted to send.